Hello my dear students, in this lecture we will see one simple numerical on Tresca's theory or gauge theory. Now the question is for a state of stress find the factor of safety as per Tresca's theory if SYT is equal to 350 MPa and the state of stress in MPa is given in the matrix form. Now see here the state of stress. The state of stress for 2D loading is sigma x tau xy tau yx sigma y, which is nothing but here given 40 0 0 minus 30 MPa. This is how for 2D loading state of stress is written. Therefore, by equating the matrix, can I say sigma x is equal to 40 MPa, tau xy is equal to 0, which is nothing but tau yx, and sigma y is equal to minus 30 MPa. Now here, as shear stress on the component is 0, then applied stresses itself are the principal stresses. If shear stress acting on the component is 0, then applied stresses itself are the principal stresses. This is a note. Again, if you want to check this note, therefore sigma 1 comma 2 is nothing but sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus or minus under root of sigma x minus sigma y by 2 whole square plus tau xy square. Therefore put the values. Therefore sigma x plus sigma x is 40 plus sigma y minus 30 by 2 plus or minus under root of sigma x is 40 minus minus becomes plus 30 divided by 2 whole square plus tau xy is 0 square. Therefore sigma 1 comma 2 we will get this 40 minus 30 divided by 2, this will be 5 plus or minus under root of 70 35 square, which is nothing but here we will get this is equal to 5 plus or minus 35, 5 plus or minus 35. Therefore sigma 1 is equal to 5 plus 35, which is nothing but 40 MPa, which is nothing but equal to sigma x, and sigma 2 is equal to 5 minus 35, which is nothing but equal to minus 30 MPa, which is nothing but equal to sigma y. That means whenever shear stress acting on the component is 0, then applied stresses itself are the principal stresses. Therefore, with this note also directly, remember this note for further calculations. Therefore, with this note also, sigma 1 is equal to the maximum of 2 is sigma x, which is nothing but 40 MPa, and sigma 2 is equal to minimum of this 2, which is nothing but sigma y, is equal to minus 30 MPa. Now, and this maximum, as they are asking to find as per Tresca's theory. Tresca's theory is also called gauge theory, or it is also called maximum shear stress theory. Therefore, we have to find maximum shear stress, and for theories of failure topic, maximum shear stress is nothing but maximum of mod of sigma 1 by 2, comma mod of sigma 2 by 2, comma mod of sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. And as sigma 1 and sigma 2 are unlike, means one positive one negative, then this term x will be definitely this will be sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2, which is nothing but sigma 1 is 40, sigma 2 is minus 30 plus will become plus divided by 2, which is nothing but 35 MPa. This tau maximum will be 35 MPa, right? And as per gauge theory or Tresca's theory, this maximum shear stress is nothing but SSY divided by factor of safety, which is nothing but SSY is nothing but SYT divided by 2 here in denominator factor of safety. Therefore, this tau maximum 35 is equal to SYT is 350 divided by 2 into factor of safety. Therefore, this factor of safety will become 350 divided by 2 into 35. And if you solve this, you will find that the factor of safety will be equal to 5. Therefore, answer for this question is 5. The factor of safety as per Tresca's theory is 5. Now, in the same question, if they ask you find factor of safety as per Rankine theory, Rankine theory means we are considering sigma 1, which is nothing but sigma max for the calculation, and this is nothing but SYT divided by factor of safety. Here sigma max is 40, therefore 40 is equal to SYT is nothing but 350 divided by factor of safety. Therefore, from this you will get factor of safety is equal to 350 divided by 40, and solve this. What you will get? You will find answer as 8.75. This will be the 8.75 will be the factor of safety as per Rankine theory, and 5 will be the factor of safety as per Tresca's theory. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will start another theory of failure, which is nothing but Saint Venant's theory or maximum principal strain theory.